Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and hello for New Year. Thank you for clicking on today's video. So I wasn't actually planning on filming another shop with me because I've done quite a few shopping videos recently, but I popped out to the range. I had to get a few things for my house, so I just wanted to film a little clip of what was inside, and there's actually some really nice bits, so I hope you guys enjoy this little come shop with me. Hey guys, so as you can see, this first section is the new in section when you walked into the range, and you could see there's loads of like lanterns, candle holders, loads of glass and mirrored things. Also, I love these big lanterns at the bottom. I think they're stunning. They'd be so nice like in the corner of a room with one of those battery operated candles inside, which I'll also show you in a second. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this little video, and I'll just pop in now and again whenever I see something that I really liked. Moving over from the silver section, this is more of a bronzy and gold, different decorative pieces. So I really liked the big lanterns that they had. They also had lovely little decorative ornaments, little animals as well, and loads of greenery. So I hope you enjoy this little bit. If you want to see the prices of anything, just try and pause the video and you should be able to see. I like those little gold round tables. They'd be perfect for outdoor, and also this plant pot was one of my favorites. It just adds a bit of height to any of your plants. It's really nice.
Done this before, you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. Said I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
So just continuing on with the home section, I like that lotions and potions basket up the top. It's just good to keep everything organized in your bathroom. Also, those little baskets are good, and then they had things for your keys as well, just to keep them safe and tidy. So I like those.
Scared to take it, oh, maybe when I take cuppa. Get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gonna have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
I also really like these wooden lanterns. They had the 3 battery operated candles already with them, so I just think those are perfect, and they're so nice, especially like autumn time of year when you're lighting candles. So next, moving over to the rose gold and pink section. This was so cute and floral. And here's more of the battery operated candles. They had some at £2, some at £4, and some more expensive. But look at these ones, they actually move and flicker like a real candle would. I thought those were so nice, and they were £15.99, so may have to go back and get those ones. So here's a little look at the mirrors. There were so many different styles and sizes as well for like bedroom or living room, and also big floor length ones as well. So now moving over to the kitchen section and different random things. So here is their trending table. I love these little glasses with the gold rims, they're really nice, and I love the Aztec-y prints as well of different things. And then also I wanted to include just these little journals, and they had loads of different scrapbooks. So if you're looking for scrapbooks, definitely check out the range, because it's somewhere I wouldn't think to go for the likes of these. They had loads of different storage boxes, and I love using these for kitchen cupboards or under the sink, or like storing your laundry stuff in the cupboard. It just keeps everything nice and tidy and organized. So they had loads of different colors of those. Then also here's just some of the water bottles. I noticed this quite looked like the Love Island one, so I just wanted to show that. Then they also had loads of Tupperware. And here is all the storage for inside of your fridge. So these are really good just to keep everything separated and organized. I quickly wanted to include the cleaning section as well. So they had loads of these different Scrub Daddy sponges, which are really good, and also different cloths and stuff. So I wanted to show these. And then they also had a beauty section as well, which I wasn't aware of that they had in the range. So here's a quick look at that if you're interested in those. So whilst I was in there, my mum was actually picking up some of these Slimming World meals and different food that they have in the Iceland section of the range. So I thought I would just film a quick clip in case any of you guys do Slimming World. I don't know if you do, but if you do, they have a huge section in their freezer aisle of Iceland, and they have loads of different sauces and different bits. So I don't do Slimming World myself, but she says some of it is really good and tasty, so I wanted to include that. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and this video, because it really means a lot to me, and I'm loving filming and posting more regularly on my channel. So thank you guys so much again for all the love and support, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.